So let's start with articles, right? We will start from A. A, we all know A is used with general things. जब भी हम किसी कॉमन बात, कोई भी एक जनरल बात करते हैं, कोई स्पेसिफिक बात नहीं करते, उसमें A यूज होता है. A is used with general things. For example, I have dash pen. Here we will write down A. I have a pen. तो ये कॉमन सा सेंटेंस है, इसमें कुछ स्पेशल बात नहीं है. मेरे पास एक पेन है, वो किसी के पास भी हो सकता है, ठीक है. Will you have a cup of tea or coffee? A cup of tea. A cup of tea or coffee. Next one is, do you have a pencil? And many more sentences. Give me a glass of water. When we talk about general things, then only we will write down A. Where we will use N, now we will discuss. So N is where N is used. N is used with 5 vowels. I think everyone is aware about the usage of N. N 5 vowels हैं कौन से? A, I, E, O, U. Like an apple. I like to eat an apple daily. An ice cream. Means where the 5 vowels are used, we will write down N. An umbrella. I take an umbrella in the rainy season or in the summer season because it is too hot today, so I have to take an umbrella. Then An is used with O also. Orange, owl, an honest person, U, an umbrella, E is left, an egg, an elephant, everywhere. ठीक है, anywhere we will use. So I like to eat an apple daily. Please give me an ice cream, a cup of an ice cream. I usually take an umbrella in summer days, and give me an orange and an egg. So these are 5 vowels where we use. There are some examples. Suppose I said Raman is dash honest person. Here I will write down an. यहाँ हम A नहीं लिखेंगे, an honest person. He is an introvert. इंट्रोवर्ट होते हैं ना, जो मन में रखते हैं बात को, ज्यादा एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पा सकते. या Sam is an extrovert. I have an orange. These are all clear to you? She is an intelligent girl. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. An apple a day एक proverb है. An apple a day, रोज एक एप्पल खाओ. Keeps the doctor away, तुम्हें डॉक्टर के पास जाने की कभी जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. Keeps the doctor away. So these are all examples of an apple a day keeps the doctor away, right? She is an intelligent girl. Ram is an honest person. There are n number of sentences to explain and. So now we will move the last article, which is called definite article. it is the. The is used with the specific things. So the is used with specific things. When we talk specifically या पर्टिकुलर किसी चीज के बारे में बात करते हैं तो उसमें द यूज होता है एंड विथ सुपरलेटिव डिग्रीज. सुपरलेटिव कौन सी होती है? पॉजिटिव कंपैरेटिव सुपरलेटिव डिग्रीज, जिसके आगे कुछ नहीं होता. लाइक he is the most intelligent person student in the class. Ram is the tallest boy in the class. Seema is the shortest girl in the class, like that. So first of all we will discuss how the is used. Suppose I said I have a garden. The garden is full of roses. It means I am talking about particularly that garden. I have a garden. The garden is full of roses. Second one is did you see the movie last night? Here I will write on the. We live on the third floor of the apartment. I love the color red. And last one we can say I saw a girl. The girl's dress was pretty. It means I am talking about particular that girl. I saw a girl. The girl's dress was beautiful. The girl's dress was pretty. So what we see in these articles, definite and indefinite articles, which we discussed, a, and the, and moreover, if we talk about the superlative degrees, we will discuss. The is also used with the superlative degrees, like Ram is the tallest boy in the class. Ram is the tallest boy. Tallest boy in the class. Seema is the shortest girl in the class. सीमा इज मतलब इससे छोटा कोई नहीं है, जिसके आगे कुछ नहीं होता है वो वहां पे द यूज होता है. सीमा इज इट इज कॉल्ड सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. सीमा इज द शॉर्टेस्ट गर्ल इन द क्लास. इट मीन्स हमने क्या सीखा? डेफिनेट एंड इनडेफिनेट आर्टिकल्स क्या होते हैं? ए एंड द. ए इज यूज्ड विद general things and with singular things. L is used with the 5 articles a I E O U, and the is used with superlative degree as well as specific things when we do not talk about the general things. So if you have any query you can ask me in the comment box. So till then, goodbye. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay then.